You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Today, we're gonna have a tool showdown. Walmart versus Amazon. And I might show this one a little bit. This one here is completely different use of these two over here. Why does my workshop look like someone just broke in here and ransacked it? Well, I'm in the process of drilling out for new electrical. I thought, hey, you know what? This is a good real-world scenario of putting these drills to the test and comparing them to how they function against one of the most expensive contractor grade drills you can buy. $400 versus $79 versus $57. Before we get started, I got something in the mail today. I do this just about twice a month, especially this time of year, and that is check the quality control on the merchandise. Make sure it's what it's supposed to be. Check the ink, check the shirt. So this is brand new, hot off the press, just in the mail today. Here it is, brand new. I order an extra large and everything. I'm 6'1", just over 200 pounds. This is how it fits. Got a little longer in the rear so that it doesn't show your butt crack off. And when you lift your arms up, you're not showing off your belly button. Link will be in the description. The first drill up, just for reference, is this big, heavy duty DeWalt. It's got a 5 amp hour battery. It's 2/3 charged, but this is just reference to show you how quickly and easily this goes through here. All right, Wally World is up. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna gear it down to give it a little more torque. Chemo. And gear it down. Oh, that DeWalt was on its high speed and powered right straight through this. Oh, almost there. There we go. Yeah, got it. Got another old light flash sale for you tonight. Up to 40% off. Lots of things on sale. If you missed the last one, set your alarm for tonight. They sell out fast. And really mess somebody up with that one. New color for the Warrior Mini. And as always, the S2R Baton 2. My go-to. My EDC one. Boom. Still doing the testing with the Chemo and the Walmart Heart. Today I'm assembling some cabinet frames. And I'm going to use it to drill out pocket holes and install the pocket hole screws. Still on the original battery. We'll see if we get through this. So I've got the setting set to 11 so that you don't overdrive the screw. Not sure if this will even get it in there, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to bump it up to 15, all the way up to 21. It's weird that it's got so little power. Whoa, too much. Nice and hey, they both worked for building cabinet face frames. I know you're probably getting anxious. When do we get to see these start smoking and catch on fire? We will get there. Before we do that, we want to test the last function. The hammer drill function. I think it is quite silly that this little drill here would have a hammer drill function. Well, we're going to try it. Use this bit here. It's a masonry bit. We're going to use this brick here. For a long time, I didn't use one of these to drill holes in masonry. I just use the hammer drill function on whatever DeWalt drill I have. This also has a hammer drill function, and I've been very successful with just the hammer function on the drill. You don't need this. It was peer pressure, and Lowe's sent this to me for free, so that's why I have one. I don't know if I would have went out and bought it on my own. Let's get started and see what this little thing can do. It is quite light, very easy to handle for some sort of like crafting, a craft drill. This would be perfect for it. First one up is Wally World. Have it switched over to its hammer function. Have it in speed 2, which is its fastest speed. And let's see what she can do. Right through. Alright, this is the little chemo, the featherweight. What the fuck happened? Why is this thing? Uh-oh. Why did that happen? Made it. Well, it made it. Slow, but it made it. All right, just for comparison, we're going to use the, I think this thing's $400. Don't blink. Get set. Go. Woo! Big difference there. Okay, I have a feeling you're going to want to see this guy go. So let's see what this will do. Make sure I got a set hammer drill. Yeah, see this? Yeah, a little too much hammer on that. This is more for, concrete, going into something like this floor. There's just a good hammer function on this, and it's mostly used with these things, chisels, chip and masonry. Take care of that. Last test. We'll get these things smoking. I'm going to use a 2-inch Forstner bit to drill into a really heavy-duty 4x4. Usually you use these bits with a drill press, not a handheld drill, especially 2 inches. Kind of surprised me. This thing is so tiny and so lightweight compared to the other two. Nope, we're still on hammer. Let's this back over to here. High speed. And let's see if we can get it. We made it! And it's still going. Officially did the same amount of work. It took a lot more effort, but it's still going. That's kind of strange. Okay, now I gotta be careful. I'm gonna brace this against my leg. This can snap my wrist right off. Right clean off. Don't blink. Make sure I'm not going through a nail or anything. This is on high speed, which is the lowest amount of torque. But even on high speed, I got a feeling I'm gonna blow right straight through this. Look at that. Man, there's a huge, huge difference. Look at that. The little chemo's still going. Nothing on the heart. The heart has no lights to light up to tell you the state of its charge. There we go. It was just a little safety override. Worked it a little too hard. All right, well, now that it's working, let's hook them up. First gear, we're on drill and drill. Got a piece of stainless, I think it's about 3/8 stainless in there. I'm trying to jump it on top here so that I don't break anything. Oh, this guy is done again. Let's see if that did anything. Oh, wait, what just happened? Uh-oh. Keep having to pull the battery out, put it back in. Well, it looks like the protection circuitry in both of these is not going to let me burn them up. They keep shutting down, which is a good thing, but surprisingly the chemo still works. It literally still works after running backwards with the trigger fully pulled, and this one's spinning it backwards. A better comparison would be Hart versus Ryobi. This one here is something that has been heavily promoted on social media. So Hart or Walmart has been sponsoring a lot of YouTubers, and that's why I wanted to get this drill, because it is the first tool, essential tool that most people get when they go cordless. I did get this chemo drill sent to me for free, and I said I would test it out. I think I've done that. I am surprised that it kept up and did not conk out. Didn't melt down. Obviously it's way less powerful than this model of Hart and the DeWalt. If you're looking for a light duty craft grade, possibly even some minor home improvement, go check out the chemo. Obviously links will be in the description for both. And even though it's a little warm, still going strong. Go get yourself a Caulk Gun t-shirt. Red is no longer available. It was a limited time only. So go check and see what colors are available today. Goodbye.